Ellie, let's go home. Come on, let's go.
Dad, why are you in such a good mood?
The Toad! This drug toad's gonna pay for everything.
It's not all these crazy schemes that come to nothing. I wanna come.
Oh, you're not coming.
Come
Man, go home.
I'm Bert. Who are you?
It's none of your business. I don't care about your dream.
What do you mean you don't care about my dream?
You're used to sorting it, aren't you? Taking care of things yourself. It's beautiful, isn't it?
What is?
The day.